Since ancient times, people have realized that the great diversity of materials which make up our world must be made from combinations of simpler substances. But they had ideas very different from the modern chemical elements. In Taoism, there were 5 elements. Each element was associated with an animal, a color, and a direction. There was the red firebird of the north, the black tortoise of water to the south, the blue dragon of wood to the east, and the white tiger of metal to the west. In the center was the yellow dragon of earth, around which the others rotated. Fall was considered the season of metal. Winter was the season of water. Spring was when wood, or more broadly, plant life was dominant. And summer was the season of fire. In ancient Greece, Plato also thought that the world was made of simple elements, though his were different. Each of Plato's 4 elements was thought to be made of a geometric solid. Fire was a tetrahedron. Earth, because of its stability, was thought to be made out of stacked cubes. Air, he thought, was octahedrons. And water was made of icosahedrons, because they were the roundest of the solids and could flow. Plato also said that dodecahedrons made up the heavens. Aristotle would later call this material of the heavens ether. These same 5 elements, fire, water, earth, air, and ether, were also recognized by Hinduism in the ancient Tibetan philosophy of Bon. The 4 earthly elements were also associated with the Hellenic humors. Air was linked to blood. Fire was associated with the yellow bile. Earth was black bile, and water was associated with phlegm. It was not until 1689 that the German alchemist Hennig Brand would discover the element phosphorus, which he extracted from urine. It was the first chemical element discovered since antiquity. He sold the knowledge of his process, and it eventually reached Robert Boyle, considered the founder of modern chemistry.